What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Yo, Kaspa is such a beast. I don't know how people haven't woken up to this project yet, man, but this project is a beast, man. It is literally crapping on every other altcoin. Like, there's no altcoins that could stand next to Kaspa, man. Like, oh my gosh, it's so insane to see such a bullish chart. It's insane to me, man. And you know, this is why I'm talking about Kas so much on the channel, because it's one of the few projects, even with terrible market conditions, it doesn't care what the market is doing. It's doing its own thing, and that is great to see. You got to look for projects that show strength even when Bitcoin is taking dumps, man. I'm telling you guys, like, Kas is showing so much strength. Guys, Caspians, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, share with your friends and family. Let's go viral together. Let's take over Caspians, Kaspa community, support Kaspa content creators, man. Kas, right back up to that 41 cent mark. I was talking about it in the live streams. Are you buying the dip? Eat the dip up, right? Eat the dip. Are you buying the dip? And if you did, you know, you DCA'd, man. You dollar cost averaged into Kas. You know, you'd already be up in a little bit of profit right now, man. Kas right now sitting at $844 million in market cap, $22 million in 24-hour trade volume. You can see the uptrend starting once again. From Crypto Renegade, BTC drops, Kas is like, hold my beer, grandpa. From Almo, Kas is the top gainer of the top 50. Kas is in the top 50. It's official, right? And CoinGecko shows it's only a matter of time until CMC shows it. Once it does, I'm telling you guys, like, there's gonna be a huge more people that FOMO into Kas when they see this project in the top 50 and be like, what is this? Right? The people that don't research crypto as much as we do, right? From 1337 or Elite, we proved all the clowns in here so many times wrong, and we'll do it again. Dark Fish, Kas, Hammer and Nail, 1 to 3 USD by the end of the year. Dino, the whole market got cream pied, but this held strong. I'm impressed. Hey, that hash rate, man. The Kaspa hash rate, take a look at the hash rate making new all-time highs constantly for Kas. And we already know, man, once the hash rate is hitting new all-time highs, it's only a matter of time until price follows. If you compare Kaspa's hash rate, compare it to 2013, 2014 Bitcoin, you could see, like, before Bitcoin, when Bitcoin was created and, you know, slowly gaining traction, slowly rising in price action, the miners were securing the network and the hash rate just kept on growing. And what happened to Bitcoin's price, right? Just huge parabolic moves, guys. And you could see the same thing here with Kas, okay? We talked about this previous support right here back in what day was this? Back on the 18th, right? This was back on the 18th of July, and this was a resistance level for Kas. It broke that resistance level, and then all of a sudden it came back down and treated it as support. We were talking about it in the live stream around that 35-36 cent mark, and now Kas is going up. It literally bounced off that support and is pushing up for this resistance here at the 42 cent mark, right? Let's see if we break from this resistance level, retest, and continue up from here, guys. That's what I'm gonna be taking a look at, guys. So I wouldn't be surprised we see 7 to 8 cent, you know, 7 to 8 cents in the short term for Kas, man. The chart is just so strong, and the Kaspa chart speaks for itself, guys. Like, it really does. Right? It really does speak for itself how, you know, strong it is, right? From Kaspa Kev, breaking Kaspa hash rates hits a new all-time high of 12.10 phs, and this is what this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. These type of hash rate levels were seen from Bitcoin in 2014, and once this keeps going up and the miners, like say for example, more and more, remember in a video I talked about one of the BTC miners, right? You know, he has a huge BTC mining rig. He said he's gonna start mining Cas in a few weeks, right? Who knows, more and more BTC miners could start coming over to Cas, start mining Cas, and the hash rate, like I said, price action will follow, man. New all-time high for the hash rate for Cas. That is amazing. Seps, Kaspa whale update. Our whaler is busy today. For those fumbling their Cas bags, look who's buying. Now loaded 223 million Cas. Jeez Louise. That is $9 million worth of Cas that this whale is buying. Who is this? Some people are speculating it's an exchange. People are speculating it could be, you know, institutional buyers, man. If it is an exchange, it got to be a tier 1. It got to be like Binance or Coinbase or something, right? Insane. And they just keep adding to their bags. Take a look, man. 1 million, 50k, 100, another million, 40k, another million, 2 million, 1 million, 80k, 81k, 40k worth of Cas. That is crazy, guys. From our Kaspa community, Cas is now in the top 50, and this year it will be in the top 10. So right here we have Kaspa right here, top 50 project, number 45, beating out XDC, Frax, AV, GRT. Is coming for Maker and our ETH next. We are almost there, man. Jim Skibum, Cas versus BTC versus gold, and you guys could see like what this Cas is one of the only altcoins that is showing so much strength against BTC, Bitcoin during this whole bear market cycle. These the worst market conditions ever, and Cas has shown so much strength against Bitcoin, right? And that is very bullish. People are, you know, speculating, traded up, for example, saying they're selling Bitcoin for Cas. I wouldn't put it past some of the Bitcoiners once they realize what's happening with Cas, man. I wouldn't be surprised. Crypto Mokro, good morning, soldiers. Cas is Satoshi's original vision of peer-to-peer payments. Kaspa has a new hash rate of all-time high with 12.04 PHS. 10 plus years of research by the founder. It's time to list Cas on Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance. Well, with the speculation of this whale, one of these exchanges could be the ones buying up that huge Kaspa bag, man. I wouldn't be surprised. Crypto Migs, while the rest of the market tanked, Cas bounced off the 3.382 fib level perfectly, scooped lightly at this level as stated before. An up and nice so far. Will we see highs soon? And this is why you DCA, man. If people were asking to buy Cas up here at that 5 cent, 51 cent mark, I said, okay, could go up, keep going up higher. You just never know. If you got $1,000, maybe toss $50 up here, and if it starts to come down, what do you do with the rest of your money? $100 every few days, right? All the way down, right? You just DCA, and then boom, all of a sudden you're already starting to be in profit, right? If it breaks out at 7 cents, 8 cents, you're already in profit, and you didn't get too much exposure at the new all-time high for Cas, right? So so that's why you gotta, you know, if you can't time the market, nobody could time the markets, man. This is why you got a dollar cost average, right? That's why I was streaming and say, hey, did you buy the Kaspa dip? And a lot of people that bought this dip are already in profit, man. They are already in profit, and that is great. Crypto decentralization, people love winners. Cas is just that. Why wouldn't you move from weaker to stronger assets? That's a fact, man. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing and expecting a different result. Find sanity now. Kaspa up, crap coins down. He's speaking sense, man. He's speaking a lot of facts. Crypto decentralization, Web3 crypto fans speaking facts. You know, why waste your time on these crap coins when Cas is one of those strong projects with the team and well, not team, but the founders creating such a great technology behind it. The best protocol, which is Dagnite, right? Do your research on Dagnite. I made a video right here, not getting that much attention right now, but You know, there's other DAG projects that are popping up, but DAG Knight is leagues beyond the rest, guys. Llama 4 Kaspa is knocking out every crypto project, believe it or not. Kas has destroyed the entire bear market, the only proof of work which is superior than Bitcoin. Christmas, we will be enjoying Kas above $1 this year. I wouldn't be that much of a moon boy to say $1 this year, but 10 to 15 cents, sure, I wouldn't rule it out, man. Squash. Kas showing notable strength during this BTC dump. I'm bullish on all time frames above 0.35 cent. USDP is showing strength, bounce off the 50 MA and lower Bollinger, which is what we wanted. Now we want to see a follow through and to hold, and the lows to hold, right? So nice. Okay, so we are still in the Bollinger bands, and yeah, we see that follow through. We come up to that top again to retest the all-time high, and then eventually we break that back in the price discovery, guys. That's why projects that came out, you know, last year or come out this year more than likely will perform better than projects that's already seen a bull cycle. David Miller, just wanted to be crystal clear, since yesterday I'm balls deep in the Kas. Many of you know me as a big link bull, and I'm still am. Didn't sell solar Q while positioning myself in the Kas. I'll obviously keep posting about Chainlink a lot, but sure, you'll see me posting about Kas too. See, so we got link whales, Chainlink. A lot of people like Chainlink, right? I don't think people hate on Chainlink, right? One of the better altcoins in the space. And Chainlink whales, bullish on Kas. They scooping up a bag of Kas. You know what's interesting to me though? The Pepe face right here. that's an inside joke for the people that watch the live stream. But yeah, man, the David Miller Chainlink whale buying Kas, and I wouldn't be surprised the Bitcoin whales are buying. The Bitcoin miners are already starting to move over, man. Will you miss your opportunity here? Some exposure is better than no exposure, man. Even if you just got 10,000 Kas, I would be happy for that, right? Eventually in the future, you never know if that 10,000 becomes worth, you know, 100,000. You know, you never know. You never know what the future holds, man. So, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. All my Caspians out there, blow this video up, make it go viral, spread this to your friends and family, man. Let's get these, you know, let's get this takeover on the way, man. Every Kaspa video, every content creator makes should be hitting like 10 to 20,000 views per Kaspa video. It don't matter if it's me or somebody else, right? So guys, thank y'all so much once again. Really appreciate all the support. I'll catch you in the next one.